Hi everybody, this is a quick tutorial on how to use Canvas's grade by question tool. So you go up here to your settings and you hit options and you click this grade by question and then you hit save settings. And then it allows you to grade by individual question. So like I can grade all of question 3 and then go back and grade all of question 6. And I find that for me, it's faster to do it this way if I'm just looking for like 3 things in an essay to have my brain really focused on that rather than to try to flip back and forth between 2 different problems. So you just click on the number at the top. Sorry, I didn't show that very well. So up here, you click your 3 and it's looking at 3, and then I can grade this and click over here to my next student who has it and grade this, and then just keep going through, and then I come back and I do the last question. I found that this was a lot faster for me, but it only works if you have a bunch of students who have turned in the assignment. So if you're doing late work, it's not useful, or if you have an assignment that you have, I think, less than 50% of the students turned it in, then it's not as useful because as you can see, it doesn't sort by submission status. It just sorts by alphabetical. So there's that, and I hope it helps. It helped me cut my grading time in half, and good luck.